Valentine's Day is a time for love, laughter, and spending time with the people you care about. Whether you're looking for the perfect gift for your significant other, or simply want to treat yourself, PICO Malaysia is offering discounts of up to 50% on all of your favorite apps and games. Without breaking the bank, whether you're looking for a new way to spend time with your loved one, or just want to escape into a virtual world, PICO Malaysia has you covered. With a wide variety of games and apps to choose from, you're sure to find something that suits your interests and tastes.
So why wait? Head over to PICO Malaysia today and take advantage of these incredible discounts. With savings like these, you can have all of the love and excitement you need to make this Valentine's Day one to remember.
In conclusion, PICO Malaysia's Valentine's Day sale is the perfect opportunity to indulge in your love for games and apps. So, whether you're a hardcore gamer or simply enjoy casual games, be sure to take advantage of these incredible discounts and celebrate love this Valentine's Day.
PICO Malaysia has announced a special promotion in conjunction with Valentine's Day, in which consumers can get up to 50% off all apps and games on the PICO store, happening from 11 p.m. on 10 February until 1:59 p.m. on February 19, 2023. Read below to know more about the special offer.
In a press release, PICO said that couples can enjoy the aforementioned discounts on their PICO Neo 3 Link or PICO for devices to enhance their date night activities. Furthermore, throughout the 10-day campaign period, couples can take a romantic stroll through the PICO store and pick out their favorite.
For more news, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comments.